Hi everyone, it's me Zarina, your friend from Malaysia. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great practicing the greetings that I have taught so far. Well, this video is the continuation from the previous episode of greeting series. Today we will learn how to say good evening in Malay. It is Selamat Petang. Selamat Petang. Again, this phrase is a combination of two words which has its individual meanings. Let's start to know them, shall we? Selamat means safe, secure. Petang means evening. Off we go to the manner of pronouncing Selamat Petang. If you remember from the previous lesson or I Learn Malay Unit 1, notice that I pronounce se, not si, or say, or se. Pronounce la as in la land, and mat, you may clip the T sound, doing away with the sound like mat, or you can pronounce the T softly like mat. Pronounce per as in per in person. Pronounce tang as in young and replace Y with T. It is easy, right? As usual, I will say the phrase of Selamat Petang first, and there will be a few seconds of silence for you to repeat the phrase. Let's start. Selamat Petang. Selamat Petang. Selamat Petang. Selamat Petang. Selamat Petang. Selamat Petang. To whom do we wish Selamat Petang? We normally greet Selamat Petang to anyone, familiar or unfamiliar. Personally, I rarely wish Selamat Petang to my closest family or friends. It is likely because we seldom use this greeting towards each other. But I do use them to other non-Muslim people who I deal with formally, like in the banks, in the department stores, in the government offices, or in other general places like I previously mentioned. Why do I refer to non-Muslim? Because I am a Muslim, and the greetings that I prefer to use towards other Muslim is Assalamu alaikum when dealing with Muslim people whom I encounter. However, it is not wrong to use the greetings that I have taught in this blog to anyone, irregardless of races or beliefs that you will encounter in Malay-speaking countries. Sometimes I even say Assalamu alaikum and then followed by Selamat Petang or other Selamat greetings in places that I have mentioned before. When do we use Selamat Petang? We can use it from 2 or 3 p.m. up until the dusk. The reason why I say up until the dusk is because I hardly see someone wish another person Selamat Petang after sunset. Unlike in English, where you can still wish someone good evening although it is already dark outside. Want to practice speaking Malay language? The easiest way is to get someone native to the language to assist you. If you are interested, you may contact me on Preply for an hour lesson to practice speaking Malay and to improve your pronunciation. Well, today's lesson ends here. I hope that this lesson helped. As usual, all the link for the transcription of this video is updated below in the description. Sampai jumpa lagi, or till we meet again.